So friends, Parag है हमारे साथ already joining from Sydney. Hi Parag, how are you?
Hi, Bhakti. I'm good. How are you doing?
I am good, thanks. कैसे हैं सब? Everybody at home?
सब फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम सब फर्स्ट क्लास.
Excellent. And कामकाज कैसे चल रहा है?
Kamkash, Bhakti, it's all going well. Working from home, this blessing in disguise for me.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. And congratulations for being a new daddy. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, Bhakti. Thanks, Bhakti.
Okay, so अब मूव ऑन करते हैं अपने मेन टॉपिक पे which is the COVID-19 situation. सिडनी में क्या situation था in the last 2-3 months? What are the things that you all have faced? And you also had a baby during this time, so if you can also delve a little on that.
Sure, Bhakti. Sydney, as you know, it's not been spared by this coronavirus, and we didn't have much at the start. When initially it was flagged in China and the other countries, but later on, Sydney around February, March, it started spiking. The numbers started going up. The main reason was there was a cruise ship which was ported on the Sydney port, and the government took really lightly on the situation because that ship had some corona patients, and they were not screened. They were just allowed to let go, migrate across the states and so on, and that increased the numbers in Australia.
Oh.
But government realized that was a kind of a mistake, and when they started putting some strict measures, which not allowing people to travel interstate and doing testings, increasing the number of testings, even the small symptoms like, cough or cold, government was encouraging, come and do the test. So in a way, we started really slowly, lightly, but then the government put some strict measures which allowed the numbers to control. And Bhakti, to be honest with you, it has been really a good work by the government across Australia.
Okay.
So the federal government announced some measures. Communication was perfect. The updates given to the usual country people was absolutely amazing. So ऐसे कुछ लग नहीं रहा था कि we are missing something. We are being kept up to date, and the encouragement to stay safe and not to go outside was really, really good from the government. And as you just pointed out correctly, we were due with our baby in March, and that was very peak period when the corona was really hitting in high numbers in Sydney.
Correct.
So the government, the hospitals were prepared for the patients. So there were measures. So we were a bit scared, me and my wife, and like how we are going to cope up with it, because यहाँ जाओ वहाँ जाओ सब जगह corona ही था. But luckily that we were just focused that we want to get our baby delivered. The hospital was good. The doctors were good. So it's just that we delivered her. After the 3 days of recovery, we came back home and all went well with the God's blessing. So
right.
It was a bit scary, but because being a new parent, that we don't want to get in touch with that disease and then give it to a baby in this situation.
Absolutely.
Luckily, fortunately, we all were safe and we sailed through it.
How old is baby now?
She's just finished 2 months.
Wow.
So she's growing fast.
So cute. I can imagine. Correct.
Yeah.
पराग, तू काय काढा वगैरे घेतोयस का? आमच्याकडे गव्हर्नमेंटने सांगितलंय रोज इकडे गरम पाणी काढा वगैरे घेत जा घरी.
अगं कसला काढा? मी रेड वाईन पितोय. इथे थंडी एवढी पडली आहे की रेड वाईन इज माय काढा.
चलो, great. So Parag, while you mentioned about the hospital being cooperative, COVID साठी वेगळं डिपार्टमेंट, different ward, and for deliveries, was it a different ward, different arrangement, and how were the doctors towards you and your wife? What was the treatment?
Okay, so Bhakti, we were insured, so we had an opportunity or liberty to go to the private hospital.
Right.
This private hospital was just for the deliveries or the pregnant. So there was no other patients in the hospital. So which in that way, we were very lucky that we didn't have any contact with any other, just for the COVID situation and so on.
Right, correct. And while your wife was admitted at the hospital, were you allowed to kind of travel, go home and come back to the hospital? Was all of that allowed, or you were asked to strictly stay there, or after going home also get quarantined for a certain number of days?
Luckily, government had instructed that you were only allowed to travel for essential. Now, we being in the hospital, this was an essential service, so there was no reason why we couldn't commute between house and the hospital. Having said that, I was still with my wife at the hospital because she needed me there, and we were there. I did commit once, but there was no restriction as such. So when I went out and I came back to the hospital, I was again screened. my
Right.
temperature was checked, and so on. All those usual checks.
Right. While you just mentioned about essentials, I wanted to understand from you in the last few months, are all the essentials available in stores and especially baby products?
So, as others, we also were panicked because you must have read in the news about the toilet paper issues across
Yeah.
all the Western countries. That was like, I don't know why that was a panic situation, but still it was a panic situation. Luckily, in Australia, apart from those things, nothing was kind of off the shelf. We
Okay.
did get the usual supplies. We didn't know what the situation would be in coming 2 months, so we had stocked a few things like
Okay.
baby formulas,
Right.
nappies, and
Correct.
all those baby products.
Correct.
So
Correct.
we didn't come across any shortage. So luckily we had everything.
Your parents are with you or they are in India here?
The parents are here, and so are my in-laws as well. So
Oh.
they came just for the delivery.
Okay.
And luckily, my parents flew just a couple of weeks ago before Australia shut down,
Oh.
incoming of all the overseas people. So that was pretty lucky. And I'm glad they are here because they could roam around here. They could go out, just for a walk or so, because that's allowed.
Correct. Okay.
And they could see the baby. So that's a blessing for them as well.
Absolutely.
Than being in India and locked down in a 2-bedroom apartment,
Correct.
doing nothing. It's a good support, Bhakti, and
Correct.
they are like a blessing for us as well, because we didn't expect them to stay for so long, but luckily due to COVID,
Correct.
I think the baby had a wish that her father should stay at home, her grandparents should be with her as well. So that's why we all are with her.
It's like a
It is
dream come
lovely.
true.
It is.
Right. I just wanted to understand from you, in case there is a scenario कि कोई भी Indian abroad में गए हैं on a stipulated time visa, so what happens अगर visa खत्म हो गया and due to corona they can't fly back? So typically what happens अगर ऐसा होता है?
So in Australia, कैसा है कि firstly I had applied for their long-term visa, i.e. they could stay for longer duration.
Okay.
But even though if let's say their duration expires and there is a situation that they can't travel still, so Australian government give us, they have a facility where they can extend their visa, but
Okay.
there is one condition as well. As long as they can support on their own, i.e. insurance and everything,
Okay.
because Australian government doesn't provide any medical facilities to overseas visitors, especially on the tourist visa.
Correct.
So as long as the tourist visa people can take care of their medical facilities, i.e. they can pay for it, they are good. They are happy to extend.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. So Parag, mask तिकडे पण compulsory है like India?
Compulsory नाहीये mask and gloves, but as you know, की नुसतं mask घालून you can't prevent corona. But
Correct.
what government had advised is that you don't go out apart from essential. So news मध्ये तू बघितलंच असेल की government had initially imposed some restrictions on their travel, but जसं governmentला कळलं की the cases are not getting, the numbers are not increasing. So government relaxed a few rules saying that yes, you can come out, in certain numbers.
Okay.
So when that was announced, the famous beaches over here were filled with people. The people just ignored this rule, and the very next day, government, after seeing that, had to put those restrictions back. So despite how well the government is trying to manage the population, but if there are some people who want to make good rules, they're not worried about this corona. They think this corona is nothing. They are going to break the rules, which is what what you call spreads this more.
Another thing I would like to ask you is now are you allowed to go out, like travel in your car with your family or visit somebody's house? Is that allowed now?
Yes. So as I said, the initial restrictions were that no travel. No travel anywhere apart from essentials. So essentials includes your groceries, your medicines, any treatment if you want to go to see a doctor, and so on. Those are the essential services. But gradually, when as the spread, the virus came under control, government started releasing this restrictions. So initially, we were allowed with 2 people who can go out at a time. Now it is like we can go and visit our friend's place or relatives' place as well, and the numbers have increased. So slowly, government is releasing in a controlled manner.
Okay, that's good to hear. So when you say you can visit somebody's house, so have you been given like few number of hours restriction that you have to visit and come back?
There's no restriction as such. It's just that even if you go, even if let's say 10 people are allowed to go, at a time to someone else's place, but the restrictions or the government's instructions are very clear that you still have to maintain that social distancing. You still have to clean yourself. You still have to sanitize yourself. Don't forget about it. So the old days of when we were told that when you go out of the house, घरी जेव्हा तुम्ही परत येता तेव्हा हात धुवा,
हात पाय धुवा,
हात पाय धुवा. has come back and has to be followed. It should not
Absolutely.
go away. So
Absolutely.
what the ancestors have taught us should be followed now religiously.
When you mentioned that, now you're allowed to visit a relative's place or a friend's place, or, a small gathering is allowed. Iske baad, have you observed increase in cases?
See, so far the cases have not increased. At least we are not seeing the numbers, of the cases have gone up or so. There are, 5 or 6 cases getting reported across country, but they're not in huge numbers. Probably the measures are what the government has imposed or have been asked to public to take care. The public are trying to take care, but we should not be, like, "Chal, आता झालंय, काय होणार नाही." We should not be like, we should not be relaxed. I think if
Yeah.
that message or if that thing every person keeps in mind, we should all be safe. Because
Correct.
if you go back 100 years ago, this pandemic comes every 100 years. Spanish flu पण होता. मी आता
बरोबर आहे.
वाचलंय तेवढ्या याच्यावर की
बरोबर.
इनिशियली जी वेव आली होती की खूप जण मेली. And people were like, yes, आता this pandemic is over. But this sparked again in couple of months. So हे इथेही होणं शक्य आहे if people don't take utmost care. I think
Correct.
there are many WhatsApp messages floating around about this. So I think
Correct.
we should be
Correct.
cautious
Yeah.
for another 6 months.
In this specific connection, how would you assess India and Australia?
See, the key difference between India and Australia is the population difference. So no doubt, even Indian government is putting equally good measures. They are communicating that we should maintain social distances, but due to various reasons like population, it's difficult to control. So unless we ourselves as a citizen, if we don't take the utmost care, we are not going to survive this thing. We will have to ourselves, go into lockdown, go into quarantine, and take utmost care. That's the thing. And over here, as I said, Australia's population काही एवढं नाही जेवढं इंडियाचं आहे.
Right.
म्हणून पण आणि ते इझी झालं थोडं कंट्रोल करणं. पण तरी आता स्टार्टिंगला जसे स्पाइक झालेले नंबर्स ऑस्ट्रेलियामध्ये, गव्हर्नमेंटचं जेवढं स्ट्रिक्टली रूल्स इम्पोज केले, लिटरली द इकॉनॉमी वॉज kind of it's gone down because many people lost their jobs, the businesses were shut and so on. But government had to do it to get it under control.
Correct.
The only, I would say, the good thing of the government over here is that they supported the people who had lost their jobs. So incentives were given that yes, if you have lost a job, apply for a remuneration, and government is paying them a certain fee, or certain part of their salary every fortnight.
Okay, which is a good thing.
Yeah, and the rents have been waived off, so that government is not going to. If you can't pay the rent, don't pay the rent.
Oh.
The person who is supposed to get a rent, or the landlord, he's been paid by government, saying that, sir, आपका tenant अगर कुछ pay नहीं कर सकता है, ask us, we'll pay on tenant's behalf. So that is again helpful.
Yeah, that's very helpful. Yeah.
Very helpful. And I think if these things are applied in our country, मी ऐकलंय की इंडियाने rents माफ करायला सांगितले, एम्प्लॉईजना सॅलरी द्यायला सांगितले, पण स्मॉल बिझनेसमॅन who like ज्वेलर्स or even banias and so on, how can they afford? They will have to give from the savings, if they have to pay to them their employee. But if government can't support them, how can government ask these guys to pay to their employees? आता मी एक एक्झाम्पल देतो. आपल्याकडे आधार कार्ड आहे. आधार कार्ड is like at least 80% of the population has an Aadhaar card.
Yes.
So let's assume that 20% are taking their wages in form of cash or so, and they don't have any official record. But if 80% has it, and if that from that 80%, if somebody has lost their job or somebody can't run their business, government can say, yes, we can assign some amount to your account every month until this comes to normal, until our economy is back on track.
Correct.
The 20 lakh crores package जे गव्हर्नमेंटने अनाउन्स केलं, त्याच्यातलं सर्टन अलोकेशन अशा लोकांना केलं असतं जे काय ज्याच्याने ते जेवू शकले असते. ऑस्ट्रेलियन गव्हर्नमेंटने तेच केलंय ना, की जे आपल्या माणसांचे जॉब गेलेत, गव्हर्नमेंटमुळे ते जॉब केले, कारण गव्हर्नमेंटने इम्पोज केलं शटडाऊन, गव्हर्नमेंटने सांगितलं बिझनेसेस बंद करा. पण त्यामुळे गव्हर्नमेंट हे नाही सांगितलं की आम्ही तुम्हाला वेजेस नाही देत. गव्हर्नमेंट वी आर गिव्हिंग यू हेल्प, जस्ट बेअर विथ अस, your jobs will come back to normal when the economy reopens. And ते तसं होतंय.
Correct, absolutely.
Small people like working in cafes, restaurants, त्यांचे jobs गेलेले आहेत, कारण they can't go to work, but they are getting support from government.
Yeah, which is a good thing, because at this point of time what you need is mental peace, at least, कारण बाकी स्ट्रेस आपल्याला बराच आहे बाहेरचा.
एक्झॅक्टली. आता तू लोन असतं सगळ्यांचं, किती सारे लायबिलिटीज आहेत अपार्ट फ्रॉम मॉर्गेज, तुझं घर चालवायचं असतं. बट इफ यू डोंट हॅव मनी एट ऑल इन हँड, हाऊ यू गोइंग टू डू दॅट?
ट्रू. बरं, या सगळ्यामध्ये पराग, आर यू मिसिंग इंडिया?
आता अशा क्षणी नाही, कारण माझी फॅमिली इथे आहे पूर्ण. माझे
Correct.
पेरेंट्स आहेत इथे. माझा भाऊ आता बाहेर आहे आणि त्याची वाईफ एकटी आहे तिथे इंडियाला. सो
Oh.
त्यांना दोघांना मी खूप जास्त मिस करतोय, कारण दे बोथ आर अपार्ट अँड इन दिस
Yes.
सिच्युएशन ते दोघे एकत्र असते तर जास्त हेल्प झाली असती.
पण इथला वडापाव आणि कांदा भजी सगळं मिस नाही करत आहेस तू? स्ट्रीट
अगं
फूड.
वेदा एवढं छान बनवते. स्ट्रीट फूड मिस होतं, पण टू सम डिग्री वी मेक इट हिअर एज वेल. आणि टच फूड इथे सिडनीमध्ये रेस्टॉरंट काही चांगले आहेत, जिकडे आम्हाला मिळतं सगळं. सो गो अँड ईट.
Correct. Any message, Parag, that you would like to give to all our viewers?
मेसेज एकच आहे की ट्राय टू stay safe, keep social distancing between you guys, and just be patient with the government. They are trying to help you out, and you should contribute by listening to them. कारण आपण जर पॅनिक केलं, आपण जर रूल्स ब्रेक केले, we are the ones who are going to suffer.
Absolutely. Thank you, Parag. That's a great message. And thanks. Aj, I had a great time chatting with you. Thank you for your time. Give our regards to everyone at home and stay home, stay safe.
You too, Bhakti, and give my regards to everyone in the family. Cheers.
Thank you. Bye.